Hello dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new mathematical problem, which is 8 divided by 5 whole 1 by 2. So first of all, we will convert this mixed number into proper fraction. So we can write it 8 divided by, multiply these two terms, 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10, plus 1 divided by 2. So it will become 8 divided by 11 by 2. Now we have read about KCF. K mean keep, C mean change, F mean flip. So first one is keep itself 8. Change it, it will be changed into multiplication. And flip it, it will be 2 over 11. Now, there is no cancellation. So, 8 is multiplied by 2, so it will become 16. And 1 is multiplied by 11, it will be 11. That is our answer. Thank you.